Do you wonder which wild plants and mushrooms are edible and which are poisonous? Then we've got the course for you.
Your Wild Food Year is an online course that will take you from being clueless to being confident on your journey to identifying foraged plants, fruits, fungi and more, with this detailed guide to identifying and cooking with the best wild edibles of Great Britain and Ireland.
Hello, we're James and Lee from Woodland Classroom, and we reconnect people with nature through online and outdoor workshops.
In Your Wild Food Year, we'll be your guides to the world of foraging and finding food for free.
Discover the joy of finding, harvesting and cooking with wild food with the very best each month has to offer. You will learn what to look for, where to look and what to do with it in the kitchen.
Crucially, you'll also learn when to look as we bring you the edible fungi, fruits, flowers and foliage which are in season from January to December.
You will have videos, photo galleries, recipes and more at your fingertips. Over 70 wild foods, all taught by experienced foragers.
We've created this online course because so many people like you have a real interest in foraging but don't know where to start. Maybe you're scared that your first taste of a wild mushroom might also be your last, but you're not alone. We've been there ourselves.
This online course makes this huge subject accessible and digestible for the beginner. We've broken it down into 12 calendar months. You will come on a year-long journey with us to become a confident forager.
We're looking forward to sharing our experience, passion and knowledge with you.
You won't just be learning from us though.
Yes, we've invited some of the UK's leading experts in foraging, hedgerow medicine and bushcraft to join us as guest tutors for monthly foraging workshops.
So there's a whole host of expert knowledge for you to draw on. When you join the online course, you'll get all this.
Monthly foraging walk videos.
Monthly wild food workshops, all pre-recorded so you can watch them in your own time.
You'll get tons of recipe ideas for you to cook yourself.
Photo galleries to help you ID wild edibles.
And an online foragers community where you can interact with us and fellow students.
Our students are already learning about all the fabulous wild foods in their local area and beyond. This course has a huge range of wild edibles, including mushrooms, fruit, leaves, flowers, berries, nuts, roots and even tree sap.
Become a wild food master chef with over 70 tried and tested recipes to inspire you. You'll learn to make nutritious, fresh and delicious meals using foraged ingredients. This isn't eking out a survival with a few foraged scraps. This is food fit for a king. So, are you ready to start foraging?
You can find out more or join our free taster course by following the links attached to this video.